If you have done a popular local talent show, if you've done hair or makeup for that, if you've done a local singer, a model, a photo shoot, a politician, a popular pastor, if you have done popular business person, a popular dancer. Popular is in the eye of the beholder. Like if you're in Omaha, Nebraska, somebody with 10,000 followers might be popular. There are all these little online reality shows. You can mention those people and then link to the show. Or your work from the show. Everybody doesn't expect you to have done A-list people. They expect some version of your work to show that you do work outside of the counter and outside of the salon, okay?